refilming this intro. Anyway, hi there. A few videos ago, we were told to review the hottest tech products on the market. I am broke, which kind of creates an issue because all the hottest tech products, pretty spendy. So instead, security camera. And I have decided that I'm going to rank this camera on a few different categories. Functionality, how easy is it to use, and the look of it. So let's get into the video, shall we? So a couple of videos ago, right, we figured, let's see if AI can take our jobs as humans, and with that, I was told to review the hottest tech products out there. However, I'm broke, and instead I got you a security camera. And I figured, with today's growing market of security cameras, this might be interesting to try because I looked at it and it's so tiny. So let's get into taking this thing apart, shall we? Also, the name of this product, because I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Joviron S70 Home Security Camera. And you can get them on Amazon. This is not sponsored, but Amazon, if you're impatient to wait for super long shipping. Also, just want to say, there is a link in bio to the camera if you think this was helpful, and if you want your own. This is not sponsored, but comment down below. Have you ever used a security camera? Will you ever use a security camera? And do you think they're an invasion of privacy? That's what I want to know. So I got the lid off, and the manual was backwards, but that's fine. That's fine. Camera. Also, stream is not live, but I just left my light on because I like it. Alrighty, you want to see the camera? This is the camera. This is actually adorable. Comes with this cute little stand. Wait, can I? Help? Wait. Am I putting this on wrong? I was putting it on wrong. Wait. We're pretending that's first try. And then this little bag of magnets and like metal to connect it to things, which is nice. If you were to screw it anywhere, it's got some screws. And the charging cord, which is a USB-C, for those of you who just have USB-Cs. Anyway, let's get into the actual setup of the camera now. So as I'm going through this user manual, I'm seeing like, it tells you the product's like dimensions, what the different lights on the camera mean, because apparently it has different lights to let you know how different things go. The QR code to download their app, because you need an app to use it. It tells you all about preparation, how to pair it to your phone, which I think is pretty cool, and we'll get into in a minute. It's telling you how to make it best work. You know, it's really nice, actually. And it records, gives you video detection. It's not bad. So I'm going to get this plugged in and set up, and we're going to test it. Cool? Cool. So I got the camera plugged in, and it's yellow, which means it's charging, according to the manual, which I think is nice. And I just wanted to get that update. And I'm using my own USB-C cord, which shows that they all work. But yeah, I'm thinking for where I want to set it up, I'm just going to put it, like, in the corner of my office, because I'm always in here, so and I don't really have much else to monitor with it. So I figured, let's test that, shall we? Also, I feel like, this is completely off topic, but everything is very blue. Like, my lights are a bluish purple, this is a bluish purple, those flowers are blue, I'm wearing a blue sweatshirt, my hair is blue, like, everything is very blue, and I kind of like it. Welcome back, it's the next day. This is our camera. I left it to charge last night. It was charging overnight, and the light was off when I turned it on this morning, so let's get that app set up, shall we? Okay, so the app is called Ocam Pro. It's pretty, oh, it's blue. You can't see that. I'm going to say no, it can't send me notifications because, honest to God, this is just for the video. But you know, you go into the app, you create an account, you press add new.
On the device. Scan the QR code on the device.
You press add new device and follow the voice instructions, which is just scan that QR code that comes on your little camera.
Please turn on the power switch of the device. Press and hold the reset button on the device for about 5 seconds. Wait for the device's voice prompt or see the indicator light is always on, and then click next.
I forgot that it did that because I started to set it up and then I was like, oh, maybe I should wait to do this till I'm filming it. Anyway, here's your on and off switch. Turn it on, and then your reset button's right here. And it's flashing. Wait, now what do I do? Wait. Power it on. And yes, we saw
the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Please check whether the device supports 5G Wi-Fi.
Crazy. So I turned it on and I have to connect it to my Wi-Fi. I forgot there were verbal instructions. I'm muting those so I can do this myself. Okay. You enter your Wi-Fi password. You confirm it. Oh. Flashbanged with a QR code. Okay. 5 to 10 inches away from you. I have to hold the camera that far? Ow! I closed the thing on my hand. Okay. 5 inches. Until it beeps. What the freak? This feels like a lot of work for a camera. To be fair, I've never had to set these up before. Why is it not working? Hold on, we're gonna do this differently. We're just gonna set the camera down, and then I'm gonna hold my phone in front of it, because I'm bad at this apparently. Why is it not pairing? This is not working out. Wait. This is where I got stuck last time too, to be honest. Okay, so you can actually connect it to your phone through a hotspot because clearly this shit does not want to pair. Okay, so I'm gonna yeah. How do I get this to pair? What the freak? Why is this not working? Okay, you know, we're going back to the trying to figure out this QR code thing. This is not gonna work. Wait. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try this differently. We're gonna connect it to the camera's Wi-Fi, apparently. Okay. And that worked, connecting it to the camera's Wi-Fi. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so hold on. I'm gonna screen record my camera to put in the video so you can see how this works. Okay, hold. So I'm just Okay, so this is recording, and I'm going to put that in here while I narrate what I'm doing here. Because I don't know if this... This is interesting. Wait, what's night vision like? Oh, that just tells you how to do it. Okay. You can also zoom way the fuck in. Hold on, I'm recording that part too. This is bizarre. Hello? That's crazy. And like, super cool. I love this, actually. Sorry, I'm just playing around with the camera now. But yeah. I think we're gonna get this set up back over here. And yeah. So let's do that real quick. Also, from the camera's perspective, which is right there, this is what it can see. It can see my super bright ring light and like my office, which is an actual disaster. That's super cool. Cool. Well then. There's a siren feature. That's a bad idea. We're not going to do that right now. I will test that later. But that is really cool, actually. Okay, so I got the camera, and I think honestly, like genuinely, I'm just going to leave it like right there. Because then it has a decent view of like my general workspace. And yeah. We're gonna leave it like that for a bit. I'll update you guys later. So, hold on, let me fix my mic. Okay. Just as a little quick update, I moved the camera because I wanted it on something a bit more stable, so it's here now. However, I noticed, can my mic stop moving maybe? Okay. I noticed one small issue with it. I had turned it off because I'm like, oh, I'm going to save battery, I'm going to start recording later. And I went to reconnect it through the app. So I went to the app, I went to the camera, I was going to do all the things. And I noticed, basically, that the camera won't connect to my phone anymore. And every time I try to reconnect it to my phone through Wi-Fi or hotspot, it gives me the error message of offline, try again. And so I tried again, and I kept getting that message. And for me, I think that's going to be a problem, especially because I have the camera on now, because I've been trying to connect them. But I think that's a problem. Like, if your camera gets turned off, it should not be this hard to reconnect them. So, overall, I think I'm going to record my thoughts and give, like, a category rating. I think the categories are going to be, like... I think the categories I want are going to be look, functionality, and how easy is it to use. And here it goes. Device is offline, and it won't let me reconnect them. So, I don't actually know how to end the video, but it's been like a week or two or so. But anyway, camera's still over there. Still haven't gotten it to work. So I think for functionality, it's gonna get like a 1 out of 5. It's not good. Not great. For the design of it, though, it's super pretty. It's super sleek. I like it quite a bit. So I'm going to give it like a 4 out of 5. And I forget what the other criteria was. But, yeah. Anyway, thank you all for being here. The link to the camera, once again, is in the bio. Comment if you've been here this long and if you thought that the camera was interesting or not. And yeah, I'm sick right now, so I'm sorry if like this is not as per usual. But yeah, comment, subscribe, like, share the video. I'll see you guys later. But yeah.